Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a short article about the new Superman 2025 movie, and it's designed to help you improve your English vocabulary. Let's get started. The new movie, simply called Superman, will be released in 2025. Released means the movie will come out for people to watch. It is directed by James Gunn, a popular filmmaker who has worked on superhero films before. A filmmaker is someone who makes movies. They direct or produce them. This version of Superman will show a younger Clark Kent learning how to be a hero while living a normal life. A version is a form or type of something. This is a new version of the Superman story. The story will mix action, emotion, and a new modern style. Emotion means strong feelings like love, fear, or sadness. The movie is part of a new universe of superhero films, where different characters live in the same world. A universe in movies means a group of films that are connected by the same world and characters. The actor playing Superman is David Corenswet, and many fans are excited to see him in this role. A role is the character an actor plays in a film or TV show. This film will explore who Superman is, not just his powers, but also his values and his heart. To explore means to look at something closely or learn more about it. Are you excited for the new Superman movie? Let us know in the comments.